this actual situation has come to an end. This individual or these individuals are going to have to accept that what they were doing behind the scenes is no more. These individuals or this person worked very diligently to try and manifest something built on faulty ground. For some of you, they worked hard to take something away from you. And for some of you, something didn't get off the ground because of these individuals or this actual person. They wanted to destiny swap with you. They wanted you to stay at a lower position than them. They did not want you to expand. They did not want people to see the truth. They wanted to spin a narrative that they were the truth and you were the lie. They did not want you to succeed in your job role. They did not want you to connect with a love interest, with a friend. For some of you, they tried to snatch things away from you in all areas of your life because they felt that they were more deserving. For some of you, they were just stuck in a very selfish frame of mind that they wasn't even caring about who they had as long as they had what they wanted. But a cycle's been closed. For some of you, this individual is experiencing this cycle closing in the now, or they will experience this cycle closing, especially Taurus season and Leo season. What they were getting away with in the past is no more, is no longer. You see, this individual or these people felt like they were more powerful than you and everyone else around them, than God even. They tried to tamper with your destiny. And Spirit said, no, no more. You need to be stopped. And you are the catalyst for change. Maybe in the past, whatever this individual was doing, they were getting away with it, but it stops with you. Spirit is going to repay you your good karma. And Spirit is going to repay this individual their bad karma. This person has been keeping an eye on you, spying on you, trying to make sure that you do not get what you are deserved to get. This person is obsessed with you. This person is obsessed with the situation, making sure in the background that you are stuck and stagnant. They put blockages up in your way. This could have been a boss that was very threatened by your intelligence, that was very scared of you overtaking them in some way. For some of you, it was someone that was very fixated on you, on your power, on your authority. And they may have had some sort of power over you, maybe in a workplace, and they use this for the bad. They wanted you to be beneath them. They were fearful of you eclipsing them in some way. They had to put a stop to it. And so their fixation became very toxic in regards to stopping and blocking you. They tried to destroy a relationship. They were up at night plotting strategically about how they were going to take away your blessings. Very jealous of you, very jealous of your originality, your uniqueness. They may have tried to isolate you, take away friends from you, especially a love suitor who they felt was getting close to you. This person is very disconnected from self. So whilst they were trying to snatch from you, they were exposing the fact that they are unstable. They were exposing the fact that they are prejudiced. They were exposing the fact that they were manipulative. They were exposing the fact that they were not in their power and they were trying to mimic yours. Unbeknownst to them, whatever they tried to take away from you, Spirit placed in your life. Friendship, love, and inner peace. And this person or these people are going to be left out in the cold. You see, they feel alone deep within. That's why they seek to underhanded means to try and isolate you. They see that you are content with yourself. They run away from themselves. How sad. So they wanted you to be in their energy of feeling uncomfortable with being alone. And some of you, you don't mind being alone. That's when you can really connect with yourself. But these individuals, they seek outside validation like their life depends on it. So they may have tried to intervene in friendship. They try to intervene in your love life. They try to intervene in the way people perceive you. Because everything you possess, they want to see it for themselves. They do not know how to trust their voice from within. Christina Aguilera. So they wanted to punish you for being powerful. And the thing is, these individuals will end up alone. This is something that they fear. This is something that is coming. And this is something that they are going to have to accept. Everything they took away from you or tried to take away from you is going to be replaced. September could be of importance to most of you or to all of you listening to this video. This is a number 9 year. A number 9 year is ruled by the sign Virgo. The number 9 talks about endings, going into isolation, going within. These individuals are going to be struggling with this energy that is coming towards them. This is what they wanted for you, but what they didn't understand is that you're at peace within this energy. It gives you room to reflect, to recenter, to regroup, to recharge, to be reborn. These individuals are going to feel as if they are trapped in a spiritual jail. Even when they are around others, they're still going to feel alone. They still feel alone now, but they see you being very abundant, very social, likable, being at peace with yourself, people liking you, people falling in love with you, people want to befriend you, and they hated it. So you know what they did, and they know what they did. Even if they try and deny it from themselves, when they're in that isolation, which is coming, they're going to have to face the person of who they really are. Someone that is mean-spirited, someone that is jealous of you because you are abundant, you are powerful, and they wanted to hide you. They didn't want anyone seeing you in your light. They wanted people to look down upon you because they are prejudiced. Judgment is on them. They're going to have to work through their fears. They're going to have to face the truth that they can't control.